Hello children, welcome to another episode of Blast from the Past. We'll discuss another JEE advanced question from applications of derivatives. Consider a rectangle lying on the region XY. Ordered pair XY belongs to R cross R, and X is lying between 0 and pi by 2 and Y is lying between 0 and 2 sine 2x. You are drawing a rectangle inside that region having one side on x-axis. The area of the rectangle which has maximum perimeter among all such rectangles. If you have to search for that rectangle having maximum perimeter, and you have to get the area of that rectangle. I have drawn this figure like this. This is coordinate axis R cross R. You are concerned only on the first coordinate because X is taking values between 0 and pi by 2 and Y is taking values between 0 and 2 sine 2x. 2 sine 2x, the maximum value is 2. Therefore, Y can take maximum 2. Sine 2x, the graph is like this. Okay. If X is equal to pi by 4, it becomes sine pi by 2. The maximum value of Y takes a value 2. That's why the graph is like this. Now you are drawing a rectangle like this. Inside that region. You are drawing a rectangle inside the region. And you are taking all such rectangles having maximum perimeter, and you are required to find the area of that particular rectangle, right? You take the length of this rectangle as x and the height, breadth as y, and you know area of the rectangle is xy. You have to find the value of a, xy. You must know what is the value of x and y. Before that, you have to maximize the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter to be maximized. You have to maximize the perimeter. Now, what is the perimeter of this rectangle? It is P equals twice of x plus y. Here, there are two variables x and y. You have to convert either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Now, this is pi by 2, pi by 4. And you know the value of this is x. The whole thing is x. But what will be the value of this? This length will be x by 2. Therefore, this will be, what will be this point? This will be pi by 4 minus x by 2. This will be the x coordinate. Therefore, this point, suppose this point is P. You know the coordinate of P is, what is the coordinate of P? You know the coordinate of P. Already P you have taken. Suppose this is A. The coordinate of A will be, it is pi by 4 minus x by 2. This is the y coordinate. This is x coordinate, pi by 4 minus x by 2. And the y coordinate will be y itself. And you know this point is a point on this curve. What is this curve? Y equals 2 sine 2x. Therefore, you put x equals pi by 4 x by 2 in y. Therefore, what is the value of y? Y equals 2 sine pi by 4 minus x by 2. That is the value. That's the value of y. You have to find the value of a. But what is the value? What is the coordinate of a? It is y is equal to 2 sine. What is 2? This 2 sine pi by 2 minus x, or it is 2 cos x. Therefore, y equals 2 cos x. Therefore, the coordinate of A is pi by 4 minus x by 2, comma 2 cos x. That's the value of y. That's the value of A. Now, you got the value of A means you know the value of y. What is P? Therefore, P is equal to 2 into x plus, instead of y, you can have 2 cos x. Therefore, it is 2x plus 4 cos x. This is P. Now you differentiate P. What is that? dP by dx is 2 plus 2 minus 4 sine x. And equate that value to 0. You get sine x equals 1 by 2 or x equals pi by 6. You know the double derivative is minus 4 cos x, and you put x equals pi by 6, the value will be negative. so that x equals pi by 6, P is maximum. Therefore, x equals pi by 6, P is maximum. Therefore, what is the maximum area? X equals pi by 6. And what's the value of y? If what is y? Y is equal to 2 cos pi by 6. And you know cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. It is root 3. Therefore, y equals root 3. Therefore, into root 3. Therefore, answer is pi by 6 into root 3. Pi by 6 into root 3 is, this is pi by 6, pi by 2 root 3. C is answer.